What's the best school district for my kids? Can you only show us homes in a safe neighborhood? Is this area family friendly? These are questions that real estate agents get asked all the time, and at face value, they're good questions. They're also illegal for your real estate agent to answer. And today, on Jason Mandel Presents, we look at what your real estate agent can't legally tell you and why. In 1968, Congress passed the Federal Fair Housing Act. And in that legislation, the practice of steering buyers to one area over another based upon the people in those areas or the characteristics and background of the buyer is defined and forbidden. This is to prevent the possibility of discrimination against a variety of protected classes or types of people. And even though it's been nearly 50 years since the Federal Fair Housing Act passed, sadly, the law is as important today and needed as it was back then, as you'll see here.
The feds came to this Allen Park Senior Center last week looking for answers. 7 Action News has learned their target is the director here. Are you worried about any investigation?
No, not at all. We have some very detailed policies about applications.
This is the letter the Allen Park Emergency Manager Joyce Parker wrote to the Wayne County Prosecutor, the State Attorney General, requesting the review of allegations, including claims that Andrew Hill directed former employee Erica Pollock to place a yellow mark on the Allen Park Housing Commission application to indicate a black applicant. It goes on to say that this coded scheme to screen out black applicants would be a blatant housing discrimination and a violation of HUD housing laws if true.
It's very shocking that something like that would occur.
So essentially, your real estate agent can answer tons of questions about a property or a neighborhood, but talking about the people in the neighborhood legally can't be one of them. Have a question about fair housing and real estate? Leave a comment, and we look forward to answering it and other questions here on Jason Mandel Presents.